Now we will be talking about the square of a trinomial. Remember that a trinomial has three terms. We are going to find the product of a trinomial using a pattern. Let's say we have here the square of a plus b plus c. So we are going to find out the product of this trinomial after squaring it. So we're going to square your first term, which is a, then added by the square of your second term, b, then added by the square of your third term, c, then added by twice the product of the first and second term. I will repeat, twice the product of the first and second term, so it will become 2ab, plus twice the product of your second and the third term, so we have 2bc, plus twice the product of the first and the last term, so we have 2ac. So here is now the simplification when you square a trinomial. Okay, so let's have an example. Let's say we have 4x plus 2y plus 5z. Then this will be squared. Okay, so how do we simplify? We are going to follow your pattern written above. We have to square your first term, so 4x, this will be squared, plus square of 2y plus the square of 5z plus twice the product of the first and the second term, so we have 2 times 4x times 2y, then plus here twice the product of your second and the last term or third term, so we have 2 times 2y multiplied by 5z. Remember that your first term is 4x, your second term is 2y, then your last term or your third term is 5z. And finally, using this one to AC, which you're going to double the product of the first term 4x and your last term 5z. Okay, so let us simplify. What's the square of 4x? This is 16x squared. How about the square of 2y? That is 4y squared. Plus, how about the square of 5z? That would become 25z squared. Plus, okay, what is 2 times 4? That is 8. 8 times 2, that is 16. 16xy plus, how about this? That is 2 times 2, that is 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 y times z, that's yz. Then 2 times 4, that's 8 times 5, that is 40, plus 40, then x times 3, xz. You cannot combine like terms because all of them are with different terms or variables, so we cannot combine. So this is now the result of the square of this trinomial. It is a polynomial composed of 6 terms. Then one more example. Let's say we have here 3x squared minus 2y plus 5, and you're going to square this. Okay, so here if we will simplify, it will become like this. We have the square of 3x squared, so this will be squared, then we have plus, we have minus 2y squared plus the square of 5 plus twice your first term, which is 3x squared, then multiplied by negative 2y plus twice your middle term or your second term times negative 2y times 5 plus twice your first term 3x squared times 5. Okay, so let us simplify. What is the simplification of the square of 3x squared? This is 9x raised to the power of 4. Then, how about this? What is the simplification of the square of negative 2y? Negative 2 times negative 2, that is 4. Y squared, because y raised to the power of 2 is y squared. Plus, what is 5 squared? That is 25. Then, how about this? 2 times 3, we have 6. 6 times negative 2, it's negative 12. So we have negative 12 or minus 12. X squared times y, that is x squared y. Then, this one, 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4 times 5, that is negative 20, so minus 20. Then, your variable y, copy. How about this? 2 times 3, that is 6 times 5, that is 30. 30 times x squared, that will become plus 30x squared. Okay, so this is the answer now. But if you want, you can also arrange your terms based on their degrees. Okay, so this is now the square of a trinomial. This is now the pattern. Thank you.